Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to export the Lovable project to WordPress. First, open the Lovable website in your browser and make sure your project is already created and available in your dashboard. Now, from the left side, click on your project name to open it. Once the project loads, click on the Edit option from the top right corner so you can access all the files and settings. Next, click on the code icon at the top. This will open your project files. Select any file you want, then click on it to view its content. After that, click on the copy icon to copy the file content. You can repeat this step for other important files if needed. Now, click on the code icon again, and at this time, select the GitHub icon from the top right corner. This option allows you to export your project through GitHub. Click on Connect GitHub, then select Connect Project. After that, click on Add Organizations. Here, enter your GitHub username or email, and then your password to sign in. Once logged in, enable the toggle next to your GitHub organization so the project can sync properly. This step ensures your project files are uploaded to a GitHub repository. Now, once your project is available on GitHub, you can download it to your computer or clone it. After that, prepare your file for WordPress by organizing them into a theme structure, including folders like themes, assets, and templates. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Appearance, then Themes, and click on Add New followed by Upload Theme. Upload your project files as a zip file. Once uploaded, click Install and then Activate. Finally, check your website on WordPress to make sure everything is working correctly. You may need to adjust some parts like styling or plugins to make the project fully compatible with WordPress. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.